Hello students, how are you? You're welcome in your channel Physics Wall. For you students, today our topic is NCERT class 12 chapter 11 dual nature of radiation and matter. The topic from NCERT book. आगे बढ़ना है तो NCERT book आज नहीं तो कल पढ़ना है. The topic is particle nature of light. Students, in chapter 8 you learn the nature of the light is electromagnetic wave, but on Physics Wall I write the particle nature of light. So, two nature of the light, that is particle nature of light and wave nature of light. So, it's have a dual nature. So, radiation have a dual nature. So, chapter's name is also dual nature of radiation. Radiation have dual nature. So you know that the radiation have two nature. One is wave nature, which is electromagnetic wave, and also in chapter 10 wave optics you learn the wave nature, that is interference, diffraction and polarization. But in chapter 11 you learn the photoelectric effect, which agree to the particle nature. My channel name is Physics Wall. So P physics, so particle, and W is wall, agree to the wave. So physics wall, particle and wave, dual nature. So students, on physics wall we write today the some characteristic of a photon. So in photoelectric effect we see that when radiation interact to free electrons, then behaved as a particle. So students, when radiation interact to a matter, then behaved as. So on right, photoelectric effect gave evidence to strange fact that light in interaction with matter behaved as. स्टूडेंट्स, इसको इस प्रकार समझ सकते हैं कि आपके दो नेचर होते हैं. जब आप दोस्तों के साथ होते हैं तो आपका नेचर दूसरा होता है, मटर गश्ती मौज गश्त वाली बातें होती हैं, और जब आप घर में जाते हैं मम्मी पापा के पास तो आपका नेचर अलग हो जाता है. तो जब लाइट रेडिएशन है वो जब मैटर पर पड़ता है तो बिहेव्ड एज ए पार्टिकल करता है, ना कि वेव नेचर उसका शो होता है. सो इफ इट वाज मेड ऑफ क्वांटा आर पैकेट्स ऑफ एनर्जी, ईच ऑफ in packets of energy is h nu, it is well known. So now second is each photon has energy h nu, E is equal to h nu, and momentum is E upon c, that is h nu upon c. And also you know the photon move with a velocity of light, because light is also as a made up discrete energy units is called as quanta of radiation or photon. So light also made up of photon. So move with the velocity of light is well known, it is not very well understanding thinking. E is equal to energy h nu and momentum is h nu upon c. Students, third is point C, all photons emitted from the radiation of a given frequency have a same energy. Students, you know, is understand as the radiations, the photons from radiation हैव सेम एनर्जी. इस ऐसा नहीं होगा कि एक फोटॉन की एनर्जी 2h न्यू हो जाए, एक की h न्यू है, एक की 3h न्यू है, कोई बड़ा एनर्जी का निकले, कोई कम एनर्जी का छोटा है. उससे जो भी फोटॉन निकलेगा उसकी एनर्जी क्या होगी, सेम होगी. दैट इज द all photons have a same radiation from given frequency of the light. So all photons of light particular frequency nu or wavelength lambda have same energy E equals to h nu, and nu is frequency, this is c upon lambda, and momentum is E upon c. See, we write as h nu upon c, and nu is the frequency is c upon lambda, then c is cancel out and h upon lambda. And whatever, so student, whatever the intensity of radiation, can increase the emitted number of photons per second from the radiation. So when increase the intensity, then increase the number of photons, but not increase the energy of the photons. So intensity is independent to the energy of a photon. So we write on the wall that so photon energy is independent to the intensity of radiation. Another, Photons are, students, are electrically neutral because it is not deflected by electric and magnetic field. So students, also it is very much important, the photons are electrically neutral and not deflected by electric and magnetic field. And other is, students, in photon collision, students, when photon collide to the matter, that is free electrons, then in photon and matter particle collision, the total energy and total momentum will be conserved. So we write on the physics wall, in photon particle collision such as photon to electron collision, you see in the photoelectric effect, the total energy and total momentum will be conserved. But it is important that the students, the number of photons not remains conserved, because the you see in the photoelectric effect, when the photons is falls on a free electron, then absorbed by the electrons, so number of photons is absorbed, so the photons will be absorbed and also some new photons may be created. So the photons may be absorbed and new photons may be created. And also the rest mass of a photon is zero, because photon is not found in rest, it moves with a velocity of light, because radiation is not in rest, radiation is immerse कर रहा है, तो वो मूव करेगा तभी तो आपके पास पहुंचा, कि कहीं बीच में रुक जाएगा, तो रुकेगा नहीं, दैट इज वी कैन से द फोटॉन हैव रेस्ट मास इज zero. तो some important topics we cover up for a photon, some characteristic of a photon we understand. So photoelectric effect is very well and very important phenomena which understand as different way of radiation, to see that radiation is also behaved as a particle, because the particle have a energy and movement. So also photon have energy h nu and moment is h nu upon c. So read better and learn better on physics wall. Thank you, students.